Hello, in today's video we'll be talking about ChatGPT for customer support. It's an AI-powered tool designed to enhance the customer experience and improve support operations. For the first one, the role of ChatGPT in customer support. ChatGPT can play a valuable role in a customer support, providing quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, freeing up support agents and focus on more complex issues. It can also be used to automate routine tasks such as appointment scheduling and order tracking. For the second one, the key feature of ChatGPT for customer services. Some of the key features of ChatGPT for customer support includes its ability to understand natural language inputs and high accuracy of generating responses. It is flexibly and adapting to different contexts and domains. It can also integrate with exciting customer support platforms such as chatbots and help desk systems. For the third one, use cases for ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used in a wide range of customer support applications, including answering frequently asked questions, providing product recommendations, and troubleshoot common issues. It can also assist you with customer onboarding, providing guiding and supporting a new user. Like me, I asked what are the benefits for ChatGPT for customer support, and it gave me a few of its benefits. So of course you can pause the video, you can read it, and I asked for an example of it, and you can see an example for that scenario. So for the fifth one, the benefits. Some of the benefits, you can see it on the screen, of using ChatGPT for customer support includes improved response times, increased customer satisfaction, and reduced support costs. It can also provide valuable insight into customer behavior and preferences, which you can be used to inform future support strategies that you can, of course, then power. So, the conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT for customer support is a powerful tool that can help business and organizations improve their support operations and provide a better experience for the customer. Its advanced capabilities in a natural language processing and machine learning make it a valuable asset for anyone looking for a chance their support capabilities. So guys, thank you for your attention. I hope you found this presentation informative, and if you like this video, please leave a subscribe, a like, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.